I honestly can't tell you how many years I've waited to make this video. I'm talking years I've been waiting for this moment because I want to share my secret online income system with you, just to prove that anyone can make their first $1,000 with it. So if you want to make your first $1,000 online, even if you have never made any money online before, well, here are the 3 best ways to make your first $1,000 online. Now, the first easiest free method to make your first $1,000 online is with copywriting. That is just writing texts online. That could be emails, blog posts, website pages, etc.
All you need to do in order to make $1,000 online with copywriting is to find one easy to fulfill gig that pays anywhere from $100 to $250 and repeat that 4 to 10 times. This is extremely simple and it works 9 out of 10 times. Now, where are you going to find those gigs? Well, there are different people and businesses who look for workers or freelancers to write content for their websites and videos on sites like Listverse, where you can get paid to create or write list articles like the top 10 most expensive blah 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 type of articles, because there is a massive market and demand for such content. All you do is apply for the gig, submit your article, and you've been accepted and get paid just like that. And it actually works. You can definitely make $1,000 with this. Another website you can find gigs is called Latium.org. This site has way less competition, so it's easier for you to get accepted on multiple gigs. But the most popular platforms to get gigs by far is on Upwork or Fiverr, which are a bit similar. Like if you go into Upwork and click on find work, then find work for your skill, then you type out copywriter or whatever skill you have, you're gonna find hundreds of job posts for simple copywriting gigs which you can do, such as a Facebook ad copywriter for a roofing company that's paying $150. There is content writing, product page copywriter, and hundreds more which are added every 24 hours. So if you apply to every single one of these gigs, it's virtually impossible not to make over $1,000 per month or your first $1,000 online, because there are just so many options. Like Hamad, who's getting $1,500 gigs per month. Now the question is,
how do you fulfill on these gigs if you don't have any experience copywriting? Well, that's where we go to our friend, ChatGPT.
You can ask ChatGPT to generate templates of the gig you've been given, then tweak the output with your own spin to make it unique. Or you can take a look at other articles on the internet that have worked well, then you ask ChatGPT to create a template out of it. Here is an example of a script you can give ChatGPT to generate similar templates. And as for the information you put inside the brackets, you just get them from your clients. Now, the second way to make your first $1,000 is in this video on your screen.